Thank you. This is still Oja M. Oja M, please, before we go on this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe on this channel and share my videos along. Please, there is an instruction that I want to give you. Buko yame chori mu ihe basara Oja. Let me use our language. Because most of us that is learning it Igbo people, yame chori mu ihe basara Oja. As you can see, can you just video this? As you can see, this is bush. This is bush all over. This is a complete bush. And when I started, I used to stay inside bush to learn. So first of all, isolate yourself. Go to quarantine yourself. Let me use that language. Isolate yourself from people. You understand? When you isolate yourself from people, you cannot be able to. So now you cannot be able to like grab what I'm doing very well. So when you isolate yourself from people, you are good to go. You will make it. So now we are on the tutorial on how to make sounds and how to bring tunes. This one. Now I said. Now if you do that one for some minutes, you now add this. Now let us add them together. Now, but if you want to be perfect very well, continue listening to other sounds and it will help you along the side. But I still remain Oja M, and don't forget to subscribe on this channel and share my videos. Thank you for watching my video.